Hi, I'm Josh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a chord display in MainStage. This is really cool. Let's go into layout mode. Drag on parameter text. We can go over here to text labels and just click value. Now, let's go back to edit mode. I'm going to go into the concert level so that what I assign this to will apply to my entire concert. If I were to do it on just this patch, it's only going to display chords when I'm on this patch. So let's go to the concert level, click on the box, go to Actions, scroll down to Chord Display. I can go back to my patch and play a chord. Here's a great one. Here's another good one. It's going to try to make sense of whatever you play. Bam! The chord display is a great tool in MainStage.